Hey guys, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in tonight's video, I'm going to be reviewing a software program called Ebates. It's a rewards program. Some of you guys may have known about it, but I'm reviewing it for 2018. I've actually used it for a little bit. I think just early this year, just in passing, because I do a lot of shopping online. You know, I shop on Amazon, I buy domains through GoDaddy, and a few other places, just to name a few. And it's important to be able to get some actual rebates in cash from them. But of course, like most of these Ebates programs, they do allow you to earn some additional income by sharing it with other people. Now, it doesn't cost anyone anything. They just kind of use a program, and of course, they shop as they do, and they start getting, they actually get some nice Ebates. So let me show you real quick, guys, how this works. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick into my account. If I could find that login button. There it is. Okay, I'm actually already logged in. You can see there. Cashback balance is 95 cents. I haven't been really using this a lot. And you can see there I actually got a check sent out via PayPal. And let me just scroll this over here. See, this is back in May for 19 bucks. But as you can see there, guys, I referred a friend there and I got 15 bucks cash back, right? So it does actually work. I've been purchasing some stuff from GoDaddy, from Groupon there. You can see early in the year. And, you know, I use it now, but I also have a couple of the, rewards programs. And actually, you could actually install it. And this is cool. You could install this thing as a Chrome plugin. So this is kind of how that works. Let me log out real quick because it shows a couple of the incentives there I want you guys to be aware of. Let me just go ahead and find that log out button there real quick. If I just saw it over here. It actually changed. Let me go ahead and back this thing out real quick. There you go. Sign out. Now, if you can see on the front, right, you can see you earn 25 bucks by referring friends, right? So that's pretty much how that works. And this is just the discounts you get from all these different places online. And the way this works is this. Someone actually, when you refer a friend, they actually need to spend, I think, $25. But again, this is friends that this would make sense for, or people actually shop online anyway. And I think about it, Amazon and all those places, people shop online, right? And they actually will give you a nice little bonus if you refer some friends. And you can see here, earn refer and earn $25 plus, right? Let me go ahead and log back in here. It will probably show you a little bit better once I'm logged in. They always kind of change this thing around, so that's why you see me kind of go out and in. And just like it shows here, 25 bucks if you refer someone. There's no limits on doing that, right? And you'll get $25, and they actually get 10 bucks, right? It shows the referral bonus expires 9/30/18. They always have these guys. They'll change those dates. Sometimes this is a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less, whatever the case is. But as you can see there, it's pretty straightforward. You can refer some people in there. People sign up, they use it. You do get their referral bonus. And it's pretty straightforward, right? So now let's think about this. Now, you can actually make 100 bucks per day, but you won't get paid that day, of course, right? They pay out every quarter. I think it's like every 3 months or something like that. And you have to have a minimum amount in it. I think it's like $20-something if memory serves correct. So that's kind of how that works. But it's pretty straightforward though. But if you think about it, so if you're looking to make like 100 bucks per day, you would have to kind of think of all the people that you know do a lot of shopping online. Because this is only, it only makes sense for them. And if they shop online, you know, people, like I said, I do a lot of stuff through Amazon, as do most people. And think about it, Christmas time is coming up, so you know people do a crazy amount of shopping online. This is when, from this time going forward, to me, is when a lot of people really gonna actually start using this stuff, because a lot of people do shop online like crazy. You know, you got obviously Black Fridays, they got Cyber Mondays, and Cyber Monday is all about internet online shopping. But again, people shop online year round anyway. I'm just mentioning Christmas time because that's just a really concentrated time where a lot of people do a lot of shopping, right? So if you know people that shop online like you do, or if you do, because I know I do, everyone, I can't think of anyone who doesn't use Amazon unless they're living underneath a rock, right? So this is where that would come in. You could actually give them a simple referral link, right? And it's in here right there, right? And once they do that, like I say, once they shop online like they do, they can install the plugin. Let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna bring it up here real quick. All right, so wherever you go, and I'll show you real quick. Let me bring this thing up. So let's say, for instance, I'm gonna open up a new tab real quick. Let's say you go to GoDaddy, and this is what it always does, right? If I go over to GoDaddy here, and there it is. It'll pop up, right? Right your PC. Even if you shop for Walmart, anything online, it'll pop up if you could get cash back. And what it does, it automatically do that and bring you back to the site. And now you know, okay, it's available. Now, when you make a purchase, boom, right away you'll get the announcements via email as well. I think and as well on your app too that you've gotten some cash back, right? So it's pretty straightforward. You can see their in-store cash back. So there's a lot of different things and a lot of different double cashback offers they have. You can see their Amazon, Macy's, Nike, right? So you can see a lot of people get a lot of cash back. And again, I want to say that this is available for United States only. So if you're outside of the US, guys, this may not be bad. This may work for Canada. I'm not quite sure. I never really looked it up. But because I don't live in Canada, obviously, there was really no need for me to do that. This is, folks, if you're United States, you could obviously use this. Again, it's free to use. Right? Again, if you're already shopping online, then it makes sense to do this. If you've got some friends who want to save some money just by shopping online like they do anyway, I would highly suggest you share this with them because, again, you get 25 bucks. They get $10 just for using this thing. All right? So it's pretty straightforward. But keep in mind, you do get paid via PayPal, but you will get paid every quarter. Okay? You'll get one of their big fat checks. So that's kind of how that works. So it's pretty straightforward, guys. There's just so many different ways to make money online. Again, this won't make you rich. Right, this is not something that's going to replace your 9 to 5. But below in the description field, you have a link there if you want to sign up through Ebates, and we'll go ahead and get started that way. As well as I'll drop a link there on my. You'll even see it on my channel as well as what you could do to actually make some job replacing type of income. All right, so let's keep that in mind. So this is Julian Lee. I hope you guys enjoyed my review on Ebates for 2018. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Right. Clicking the bell button to get any updates and alerts of new videos I upload to the channel. I'm trying to get some videos out as much as possible. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave that comment there. I'm always looking forward to hearing from you guys. And so that way, there's some specific videos you'd like to see from me. By all means, let me know, baby. I'm here to crank out those videos and give you guys as much value as possible. So this is Julian Lee. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. I salute. Much love, and don't forget to click on the link in the description field. Go ahead and pick up Ebates there. If you have any questions, hit me up. My social media contact is below as well. And also drop a link in there for what I do as well to make myself full-time income. All right? See you in the next video. Take care.